Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto G15 Power and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store. When you have the same problem as mine, you open your Google Play Store and try search something like Mobile Legends games and it isn't visible and you can't download it. You must go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on your photo and open settings of your Google Play Store. In it we choose family and their parental controls. As you can see now I have PG3. To visible all game we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to parental controls and we can change it to more, maybe allow included and rated to have all game and application visible. You must confirm it by got it and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!